Hey guys, 1698 Oscar with you here. Review day and shooting test of my spring single shot AK-47 airsoft gun. Quite a high FPS, really hurt. Gives you bad bruising when it hits you. Got a target right here. Very bad drawing of an animal. Just paper and some cardboard and stuck them together and drew a crappy picture on the front. So review and shooting test of this gun. It's not a very nice day. It's quite windy. So review of the gun. The stock I didn't want to screw on because I didn't have enough time to do this review. It's got 300 round high cap magazine. Obviously the trigger. Got your switch here. That's safety. That's on. Your chamber here. You cock it. Like I said, single shot. Different aim insight here. 1698 Oscar. I'll start going into an airsoft channel or airsoft YouTube channel because RC cars are very expensive. So are these, but they're a lot cheaper, and you get to hurt people, which I like a lot. Go to evic.com. You get all the best airsoft guns there. Very good. Love Evic. This isn't from Evic, this is a £40 gun. But I will be getting some electric ones from Evic. Yeah, so we're gonna get started with a shooting test here. If I just have to put the camera down on the ground here. Hopefully you guys will be able to see me shooting the target. Right, let's move the camera forward a bit. There you go. Right. So, here comes the shooting test. To use this magazine on the AK-47, if you see this little bit here, yep, you just pull that, push that forward and take the magazine out, and half of the BBs have just come out now. So, this is a winding mag, which I really hate. They're really annoying to wind all the time, especially for an electric gun, because it just eats the BBs like hell. So safety off and pull this back, right? So here we go. Oh, got to wind it. I only got one shot there. That'll probably be enough winding. I missed the target. That missed. Right. As you can see, it's not very accurate at the minute, so what I'm going to do is, you guys can see this bit right here. This bit. I'm going to adjust the hop up a bit. Here we go again. Oh, I don't know where that one went. Right up at the top. Oh, body shot. Another body shot. Going for heads, but it's very hard to hit this animal's head. Just missed. Got him in the neck once. That was in the arse. Ass. Oh, right. So that was a review and shooting test of the AK-47. You can acquire this gun for £40 from quite a lot of stores. You can see there, one in his neck, right there, right in his neck, and on his body. So that was a review of this AK. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.